Sometimes after a long day of adventuring, all you need is a nice, hot, steamy shower. But if your RV water heater isn't cutting it, you're going to be left shivering. Hi, I'm Sarah from RecPro, and luckily we have these RV Suburban water heaters. Here we have a 6-gallon and a 10-gallon version, and we're going to go ahead and insert their measurements up on the screen. There's also an option to include a switch and also a door, and they come in black and white. These both have direct spark ignitions, which limits the need for a pilot light because as soon as they are turned on, they begin to run the gas, which heats the water. This is all powered by a 12-volt DC power. These both have 120-volt electrical heating elements, which gives them a really fast recovery time, so you can warm up your water quickly. You may be wondering why you should get one of these instead of a tankless water heater, and that depends. So these store the water within the tank so that it's continuously being heated. This means you have little to no wait time when you want to run hot water. They're also a lot more convenient for bigger builds because the water is readily available. These are CSA certified, and they are also insulated on the inside for two different reasons. Number one, it keeps the water warm, and number two, it keeps the heat from dispersing into other parts of your RV. It also maintains a temperature of 135 degrees Fahrenheit, which is not adjustable, but it keeps it at just the right temperature to warm up your water. They come with pressure relief valves, so this is really great because it keeps your temperature and your pressure in safe ranges. They also each have an anode rod, which will draw corrosive materials out of your water, which ends up preserving your tank in the long run. Side note, these do end up corroding after a while, so you want to make sure to keep an eye on that so you can replace them. Each steel tank is lined with porcelain, which is safe for drinking water, and all of its fittings come with plastic tubes to improve its water circulation. And as a reminder, this should always be installed by a professional. If you want to learn more about this product, go ahead and click the link in the description below. And if you like our videos, make sure to like and subscribe. And remember, when you're rolling on the road, roll with RecPro.